Hello friends, I am Lalit Mohan Rai, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, RIT Bhubaneswar. Now we are going to learn about tree traversal. Tree traversal means you have to traverse a binary tree. All of you know what is a binary tree. A binary tree is having at most two subtrees. That means the left subtree and the right subtree. So this is the root node represented by N, and this is the left subtree represented by L. Right subtree is represented by R. So in a binary tree, all of you know that each and every node has at most two children. That means either the number of child is equal to 0 or 1 or 2. So what is the meaning of tree traversal? Meaning is it is the process of visiting every node in the tree, that means in the binary tree, exactly once. Process of visiting every node exactly once. That is called tree traversal. Then how many numbers of traversals are there, or how many categories of traversals are there? Types of tree traversal. Number one is your pre-order traversal. Number two is your post-order traversal. And number three is your in-order traversal. So we have to discuss all these type of traversal methods separately with suitable examples, right? So first we have to discuss about the pre-order traversal. By the help of example, we will discuss this. So what do you mean by pre-order traversal? The pre-order traversal means the algorithm. You have to know first the algorithm of pre-order traversal. Here, this algorithm we have to discuss. It is a recursive algorithm. Recursive algorithm. And here, what are the steps of this algorithm? There are main three steps. You have to visit number one step. You have to visit the root node first. Visit the root node, which is represented by n. Then step number two, you have to visit the left subtree. It is represented by L. Then third one, you have to visit the right subtree, which is represented by I. And you have to apply the above three steps on each and every node. So mainly you have to follow these 3 steps, and the sequence is here N, L and R. This is the recursive algorithm for pre-order traversal of a binary subtree, a binary tree, right? So N, L, R, that means traverse or visit the root node first, then visit the left subtree, then you have to visit the right subtree. So for a simple example, we will discuss. A simple example is here. Suppose here is a tree and these are the nodes present in this binary tree. Suppose these are the nodes of a binary tree and we have to traverse this binary tree in pre-order format. So as it is a recursive algorithm, you have to apply these steps for each and every node present in this tree. So first apply the NLR here. That means you have to traverse the root node first. So this node will be traversed first. So in the sequence you keep here, first A has been traversed or visited. Then you have to come to its left subtree, and this is the left subtree. Here you again find it is a tree, it is a binary tree. Each subtree of a binary tree is a binary tree. So here you have to apply this NLR also to this binary subtree. So here B will be traversed first. In the sequence B will come. Then you have to visit the left subtree of B. So this part is the left subtree of B, and you find here you have to apply NLR here, and D will be traversed. Here no left subtree for D and no right subtree for D. That means D is completely traversed. This subtree is completely traversed. Then come to B. B, the root node has been traversed. The left subtree has been traversed. Then you have to go for the right subtree of B. In the right subtree, you apply NLR here. So root node will be traversed first. So E will be traversed. No left and right subtree of E. That's why this total left subtree, which is the left subtree of A, has been traversed. Now, then A has been traversed. The left subtree of A, that means each and every node present in the left subtree of A has been traversed. Now we should go to the right subtree of A. This is the right subtree of A. So here we find the root node is C. So apply NLR here. C will be traversed because it is the root node here. Then you go to the left subtree of a C. There is no left subtree. So directly you have to go to the right subtree of a C. So here this is the right subtree of a C, and you find here root node is F. Apply NLR. So N means root node. F will be traversed. No left and right subtree are there for F. So F is completely traversed. C doesn't have any left subtree and right subtree has been traversed. So the right subtree of A, which is having the root node C, it is already traversed. So the complete binary tree which has the root node A has been traversed now, and these are the nodes in the proper sequence. So this is the result. A, B, D, E, C, F. First root node. So in the sequence, the root node in the pre-order traversal, always the root node come first in the sequence. So this is the root node, right? So then we'll do another example. Suppose A is here, then B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Suppose this is one binary subtree and we have to find the pre-order traversal. So pre-order traversal means you have to go to the root node first, apply NLR algorithm, root node first, then left subtree, then right subtree. So A will be traversed first. This node has been traversed. Then come to the left subtree of A. So here apply NLR. Then B will be traversed. B has a left subtree. Apply NLR. D will be traversed. D has no left subtree. So directly come to the right subtree of D, that is G. So this part is over. So go to the right subtree of B. So here apply NLR. E is the root node here. So E will be traversed. Then come to the left subtree of E. So here H is there. So NLR. H will be traversed. H has no left or right subtree. So this part is over. And E has no right subtree also. So total, the left subtree of A has been traversed. Then you have to come to the right subtree of A, this part. Now this is the root node. So apply NLR. C will be traversed. Then come to the left subtree of C. So here, this is the root node. F will be traversed. Then F have no left subtree. So directly come to the right subtree of F, that is I. I will be traversed by applying NLR here. So I doesn't have any left or right subtree. So I has been completed. C has no right subtree. So total right subtree of A has been completed and the traversal of this binary tree has also completed. So this is the sequence A, B, D, G, E, H, C, F, I. This is the sequence. See here A comes first in the pre-order traversal because it is the root node of the total binary tree, right? So now it is completed. Thank you.